The moon is not what you think. The moon governs liquids on the earth and in your body. This is why all the tides in the ocean follow where the moon is. When the moon enters your birth sign, the oil in the brain is released down the spine. Body, soul and mind. The moon is your mind, the sun is your soul, the earth is your body. This is why we say lunatic, because the moon is your mind. And in your mind you have a specific mood, which is the moon. The moon takes 30 days to travel around the whole zodiac. This is why it's called a month, because mon is moon. You can use the moon to your advantage. Start new projects and new chapters in your life when there's a new moon, so it's growing with you. This is decaying. The moon has an effect on our psychology as well. This is why the crime rates go higher when there is a full moon and creates lunatics. The moon also governs the menstrual cycle or menstrual cycle. The moon takes 14 days to go from full to a new moon. It takes 14 days for the egg to become mature in the ovaries. If the egg is not fertilized, 14 days later the egg will bleed. This is because of the moon phases.